What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the Battlecast, where today I'm going to be trying to beat, as you can see, I'm going to be trying to beat Alaska a few times. And today I have decided I was going to actually record because I'm feeling better and I can talk again. So, how have your guys' days been? I'm sorry I haven't been able to record the last few days, but this stage is going to be a pain in the butt. Anyway, the only reason this stage is going to be hard is because of fucking moth that I just cannot seem to kill. No matter what I throw at it, it just won't die. So, I can put out like a bunch of freaking ranged units that'll smack it. I can do whatever I want, but it never kills it. So, yeah. And I mean, that's a problem, because if I don't kill it, then I can't beat the stage. And if I don't beat the stage, I suck at the game. Or at least I feel like I do, so. Alright, we're approaching the base. Let's get up there. Here comes the issue. Yeah, that That freaking bear, along with the moth, do enough damage to like one-shot so many like higher level dudes. It makes me so mad. Like, look at this. Together they're just pissing on my freaking delinquent cat, which is the only thing that can really help me against this thing, against the freaking moth, so. Once the moth dies, we should be good, but I don't know if I'm gonna kill the moth. So, yeah. I would try Valkyrie, but I don't really think Valkyrie's gonna be able to do anything here either. And there's another teacher bear out now. Wow. How amazing is that, y'all? Oh, it killed it. Okay. Alright, we have a pretty good chance now because we have killed the moth. Watch another one come out immediately. I will cry. Good. Good job, Valkyrie. So Valkyrie definitely saved our lives there. Oh, Valkyrie too. But the other bear is dead, so we have won the stage. Alright, guys. If we can take the base out, this will be my video. Because I know until I get off the treasure, I'm not going to be able to take out the movie. So, if you guys did enjoy watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.